get more video, please subscribe the channel. Today we discuss about the next few questions of the chapter first, 6 of the problem set first. The question number 6 is, in a class, 8 students out of 28 have a dog as their pet animal. म्हणजेच 8 विद्यार्थ्यांचा डॉग म्हणजे कुत्रा हा पेट एनिमल आहे. 6 students have cat as their pet animal. म्हणजे 6 विद्यार्थ्यांचा पेट एनिमल कोणता आहे? कॅट आहे. 10 students have dog and cat both as a pet animal. Then how many students do not have a dog or cat as their pet animal at home? म्हणजे किती विद्यार्थ्यांचा डॉग किंवा कॅट हे पेट म्हणजेच पाळीव प्राणी नाही आहे. Now student, the answer of this question is, we take the set dog for D and the set cat for C. Here let D denote the number of student having pet animal is dog. Therefore, number of D is equals to here is 8 plus, student look carefully, 10 students have dog and cat both. म्हणजे 10 पण विद्यार्थी असे का त्यांना डॉग पण आणि कॅट पण हा पेट एनिमल म्हणजे 10 सुद्धा या डी मध्ये काउंट होतील. प्लस 10 is equals to 18 student having the pet animal as a dog. Then C denote the number of student having pet animal is cat. Therefore, n of C is equals to, now here is 6 having pet animal is cat plus both dog and cat, both 10 student having dog and cat as both the pet animal. So again we add here 10 means that 16 number of the cats as a pet animal. Then here is 10 student have dog and cat are both means their intersection. Therefore n number of D intersection C is equals to how much? 10. Then we use the formula. What is the formula? N of D union C is equals to n of D plus n of C minus n of D intersection C. Substitute the values. N of D is 18, n of C is 16, minus this one is 10. Then number of D union C is equals to, now first we have to subtract this one, then it becomes how much? 6. Then 18 plus 6 becomes how much? 24. Now then, how many students do not have a dog or cat as their pet animal at home? आपल्याला आता हे students काढायचे. Now for this, the number of students who do not have a dog or cat as pet animal is equals to, here is total number of the student is 28 means that n of u minus, here is we have to subtract this one because here we have to find out do not have a dog or cat as pet animal. So subtract its union means that n of D equals to how much? 4. Means that the number of students is how much? How many students? 4 students. Therefore answer the number of students. The 4 students do not have a dog or cat as pet animal. Can you understand this? We see the next question. Okay, we see the next question. Question number 7. Represent the union of two sets by Venn diagram for each of the following. Set A contain 3, 4, 5, 7 elements and B contain 1, 4 and 8 elements. When we observe here, 4 is the common element here. So in Venn diagram, first draw two circles. Now here is the common is 4. So take two circles which is the intersecting circles. Now here is the name of that set is, suppose that this is set A and this is set B. Then the element of the set A and B are, element of set is 3. Here is 4 because 4 is common. Then here is 5 and here is 7. Is the set A. And set B contain 1, 4 and 8. This is the union of the two sets A and B. Then we say the second question. P is the set of element A, B, C, E, F and Q is the set of element L, M, N, E, B. When you observe here, B and E are common here. So that the Venn diagram is, we represent by using the circle here. Suppose that this is the set P and this is the set Q. Now here is suppose P set and this is the set Q. Now the element of the set P is A, B, C, E, F. Here is B and E is common, so I have to write first common elements. Then remaining is, here is A, here is B, then C, E and F is the set of P. And Q contain element L, M, then N, E and B. This is the union of the set P and Q by using Venn diagram. Then third one is X is the set of X and that X is a prime number between 80 and 100. Means that the number is divisible by its set. Now which numbers are these one? Now first I have to find out the set of X. Prime numbers between 80 and 100. First prime number is 83. Because we cannot divide 83 by any number, only one we have to divide by this number by only 1. There is no other factor of this one. Then next one is 89. Also we can divide by only 1. Then 97 is also the prime number. We cannot divide any number to this 97 rather than 1. You have to divide it by only 1. This is the set X. Then set Y is an odd set of Y such that Y is an odd number between 90 and 100. म्हणजे 90 and 100 मधले odd numbers आपल्याला घ्यायचे. The first one is 91, second one is 93, then 95, 97, 99. Only these numbers are there. Then we have to draw its Venn diagram. We take two circles. Now when you observe carefully, there is only one element which is the common. So we take as set A X and this is set Y. Taking the elements here, suppose that in X 97 is the common element here and here is 83 and here is 89 and 97. Then the remaining elements of the set Y is 91, then 93, then 95, then 99 is the union of the set X and Y. Can you understand this? We see the next question. Let's see the question number 8. Write the subset relation between the following sets. Set X is set of all quadrilaterals, Y is set of all rhombus, S is set of all squares means that this is the bigger set here, quadrilaterals. Means that all these are the subset of this set. So that answer is, first I have to take here Y. Set Y is the subset of X. Second one is set S is the subset of X. In that set X. Set T is the subset of X, and V is also subset of X. These are the four subsets of the set X. Then we have the remaining find here. Now here S is the subset of Y, because all squares are the rhombus also. So I have to write here S is the subset of Y. Then we take S is also subset of T, because all squares are also parallelogram. So that S is the subset of T also. Then this rectangle is also parallelogram, means that V is subset of T. Then this set of rhombus is also parallelogram, means that Y is subset of T. Y is the subset of T. Squares are also subsets of the rectangle, is that because rectangles are also square. So that next one is S is the subset of V. Now this is the subset relation between the all these sets. Okay, we take the question number 9. Here is, if M is any set, you take M as any set, then write the M union phi, means that empty set, and M intersection phi. Now student, the answer is so simple. We know that the properties. Here is M union phi is equals to M. म्हणजेच या दोघांचे एकत्रीकरण केलं तरी सेट M च मिळेल. आपण कोणतेही पण एक्झाम्पल घेऊ शकतो. नाउ देयर इंटरसेक्शन M इंटरसेक्शन phi is equals to phi, कारण दोघांचं कॉमन म्हणजेच काय असणार आहे, फक्त phi असणार. Can you understand this? We see the next question. Let's see the next question, question number 10. Observe the given Venn diagram and write the given sets U, A, B, A union B and A intersection B. So simple question, the answer is, first I have to find out the value of U, set U. Now look carefully. U is the total elements, means that here is 1, then 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the elements here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 and intersection B is the 4, then find n of A union B. Very important but very simple example. The formula is that, all of you know that the formula, n of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Substitute the values only. N of A is 7 plus n of B is 13 minus this value becomes 4. Addition is 20 minus 4 is equals to how much? 60. Mean that n of A union B is equals to 60. This is our answer. Can you understand this? Thank you very much for the watching the videos.